As you can see now, my feet kind of making some noise. It's a lot of noise when I move it around.